Yeah, hey! Yeah, I knew I lost this somewhere around here.
A great detective approaches every problem with the same sharp skills.
Good! I want you to take me there. I want to eat a bellyful and then I want to eat some more. That'd make me one happy fox.
Like I always say, you can't have a hunch without munching a lunch.
Gee, Yogi, now can we play catch?
Stop, thief! We can play catch all right, boo-boo, as in catch the thief. I've been robbed!
Let's go! Let's find a store! Let's go! Wait up!
What Fox had arranged was a trap he hoped Wolf would walk into.
You sure you're all right to go on? You seem in pain. Yes! Tell you what, if you can make it back to the house, I'll bring some food out to you. I'm going in and filling my belly no matter what. This is it. This is the place. So where's the entrance? There, it's small, I know, but I think you'll find that you can make it. All right, you go first, I'll follow. Boss, wait till you see this! The room is filled with barrels and barrels of meat! Don't eat it all, I'm coming down there! Yeah! Is that door locked? I think so. You know, I'm feeling better, so you have my permission to pig out. That's very generous of you. Listen here, boss. Let me just suggest you avoid eating so darn much, okay? See ya. Good, the bully's eating. Now it's time for the next step if my plan is to work. Hey! Hey!
Just at the start of tourist season 2. Word if this crime gets out, Jellystone Township will be ruined.
Gee, Mayor Hooky, how'd the burglar know where to look?
I don't know, kid. He went straight for the safe. Sounds like an inside job. But who could have done it?
I fixed some sandwiches to cheer you up, Mayor Hooky.
Aha! The butler duty! I'll have to dust you for fingerprints. Who are you?
My own valet. I feel so used.
But Hooky, I was with you the whole time.
Of course, as silly of me. Unhand that faithful servant.
Well, you're off the hook this time, but don't leave town.
Don't take it so hard, Secret. Looks like you stumbled onto a valuable type clue. The sandwiches. You never can tell what might be hidden between the lettuce and the bologna. I guess I'll have to check each one personally.
Hi there. What the heck are you doing? Why don't you eat some of this? It's delicious. Just checking, boss, to see if we got ourselves any problems, boss. Well, isn't it time we were going? You've had plenty. Maybe we should leave something behind. Not be such gluttons. Not on your life. Oh, well then, boss. Take all the time you want.
And what were you doing behind that door?
Just checking out the bird cage.
Oh, yeah?
I stand by that.
What a likely story.
I didn't know you have a pet bird, Mayor Hooky.
Had a pet bird, you mean?
My parrot, gone! And only this morning, some generous citizen sent it as an anonymous gift.
There's no point in taking over the world if you're too old and wrinkly to enjoy it.
I understand, but this is still way too young.
Maybe he saw the snoop and flew the coop.
Well, maybe the fiend filched your fine feathered friend.
Poor Polly. Never fear, Mr. Mayor, sir. We won't rest till the case is cracked and your bird is back. Bless you, child.
Well, it was good news for me. When you're aging in dog years, you need all the youth you can get.
I don't care what you two idiots think. Just go help me find the Dragon Ball. And if you can't find them, grab anything that looks valuable. Go!
Oops, I almost missed the clue.
Aunt Mayor Hokey's office was robbed?
They looted his loot right out from under his snoot. Heavens to larceny. It's getting so you're not safe, even in a safe haven.
It's up to us to get the lowdown on these low-down creeps.
That's right. It's clue hunting time, gang. Spread out and comb the city.
So where we gotta look, Yogi?
Look, schmuck. I'm gonna take a nap.
Right. A great detective gets his best ideas when his mind is rested and refreshed.
You're learning fast, Secret.
But what about the case?
Ah! I want a cracker! Ah!
Gee, Yogi, maybe that's the parrot from Mayor Hokey's mansion.
Don't be silly, boob. Next you'll be telling me that that parrot had something to do with robbing the mayor's safe. Sheesh.
Flash, a string of robberies is plaguing Jellystone Township.
Ooh, this'll just ruin the tourist trade.
All of the victims received an anonymous gift parrot shortly before they were robbed.
Help! I've been robbed!
There goes another one.
Why, you? Wait till I get my hands on you, you thieving varmint!
See ya.
I'll fix it and break it to my soul! You may think you're getting out of here, but you're not!
Fox, wait! Don't leave me all by myself. You gotta help. Fox, I'm gonna get you for this. I promise you that.
Luck would have it, what Fox had arranged worked, and now he was free.
Dang! I'll bet that parrot had something to do with the robbery.
Good thinking, Secret. Too bad nobody thought of it sooner.
But Yogi! Gee, is that any way to treat your best friend?